Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 popular ways to earn money online. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. There are a lot of ways to make money online these days. So many, in fact, that it can be hard for a beginner to figure out which actually works because there is so much information. To make money online, you need to find an idea for an online business that you are interested in and stick with it until you've mastered the idea and are making money from it. To help you get started, I'm going to talk about the most popular ways to make money online. This will give you an idea of what you might want to do. 1. You can make money by taking service online. There are a lot of online merchants who are willing to pay people for their feedback. Sign up for a paid service site like servicescout.com or paidsurveyprogram.com if you want to take service online and make money. Many of these service sites say that you can start making money online in your first hour. This may be true for some, but most people don't see results for at least a few days. Before you can take paid service, you have to sign up with the companies listed on the service sites. Most of the time, these companies want specific people to take their service. The best way to make sure that taking online service will earn you money is to sign up with as many companies as you can. This will make it more likely that you will be chosen to take service and earn money online. 2. Build a website. You can make money online by making a website about a hobby or interest you have. If you choose a theme that you are interested in, it will be easier and more fun to make content for your site. There are a few software programs that will build the site for you if you are not very tech savvy. All you have to do is make sure you have content that people want to read. But many of these programs can be pricey, costing between $200 and $1,000. There are many ways to make money online with a website. You can sell something you made, send people to similar products that pay you a commission, or use Google AdSense. Having a website is the most complicated way to make money online, but having one opens up a lot of other ways to make money online. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become the most popular way to make money on the internet. As an affiliate marketer, you can start making money online right away without having a website or any experience. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's products by sending people to their websites through a link that is unique to you. A lot of online businesses have affiliate programs that are free to join, and most of them are very helpful when it comes to giving marketing materials. You will get a commission every time you make a sale. Some affiliate programs pay up to 75% of the sale price. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to make money online with the fewest cost and the most easy. Your job is to find customers for the merchants. You don't have to worry about processing orders, shipping products, or keeping stock. It's easy to see why this is the best way to make money online. especially for people who are just starting out. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.